Okay. The first thing you want to do with your fire extinguisher is pull the yellow pin.
It's week one on the job for Fox 4 summer intern Michelle Gillespie, and already we've got her putting out fires.
I think you have to pull a pin, and I'm guessing I know it comes out of a tube, and you spray and move around. I don't really know that much.
The folks at First Alert say she's not alone. All kinds of consumers are confused when it comes to pull pin extinguishers.
Pull the yellow pin.
Plus, while perfect for putting out our gasoline pan fire,
Base of the fire, base of the fire, base, 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 base.
Just look at the mess they can make. Piles of powder all over your house.
So the white stuff is the firefighting agent.
Inside, it's going to take some time to clean this up.
That's just one of the reasons why First Alert has introduced Tundra, the first of its kind spray nozzle fire extinguisher. The compact can is designed to fight small fires in a familiar format. Just point and spray.
Some fire extinguishers have an expiration date of 1 year, 3 years, 5 years. Some of them have no expiration date.
With a 3-year shelf life, a discharge time that's 4 times greater, and a spray diameter that's 3 times the width of a traditional fire extinguisher, Tundra may also be even more effective than that big red can.
Rescue 18, move up to station 33.
But before we get started, there's one more difference with this device which could determine if it's a deal or a dud. Because it's only meant to fight small fires, Tundra is designed to be discharged a safe 3 to 4 feet away from the fire, not the 6 to 8 feet you may be used to with larger fires.
That's probably the number one thing on the whole can. You've got to be close to the fire.
Under supervision from Dallas Fire Rescue, we lit 2 more gas fires in a metal pan. This time, there's no pin to pull, no heavy can to lift. And for both Michelle and Lieutenant Lavender, once the fire is out, there's hardly any messy residue left behind like we saw when we used a traditional fire extinguisher.
There really wasn't any mess left over from this one. There was definitely a lot of white stuff left on the ground, as you could see from the fire extinguisher, and that would definitely be all over my kitchen or my house.
I think it performed fine. It performed just as well as our dry powder.
This one was definitely easier because everyone knows how to use an aerosol can.
It's the Tundra Fire Extinguisher from First Alert. What do you think, deal or dud?
It's a deal.
Tundra retails for less than $20, and like a traditional fire extinguisher, is meant for just one-time use. As for that small amount of non-toxic residue that's left behind, once the fire is out and the area has cooled off, you can wipe it up with a damp cloth. More information right now at myfoxdfw.com. I'm Steve Noviello. That's my 2 cents. Spend it wisely.